Hello Elite Club members and welcome to October's video. We've got a great tip for you today. We're going to be talking about buyers. Buyers are very important. We can't forget about them. They're the other half of the transaction that gets put together. So we've got to do some special stuff for them. It's really important when you're meeting with your clients to be innovative and think of different ideas out of the box when it comes to buyers. So inside your Elite Club for October, you received something that looked like this. Need help finding a buyer, right? So if you have a listing, these were some various ideas, 10 different ideas to bring buyers to your listing or attract them so that you could represent them. So I hope that you had that inside of your Elite Packet Dropbox link that was sent to you. Those are really great. The next thing is promoting and advertising your buyer is really, really important. Something along these lines. Do you know a buyer? Do you know of a home for these buyers? So write down buyers that you are representing in a flyer that looks something like this. Kind of check it out. See it okay? I'm currently showing properties of the following buyers. Talk a little bit about them. Maybe even say, I would say maybe their first names only or their last name. Probably their first names only. Something like that. It kind of depends on the real estate agent, I would say. And this is a really just nice piece to put out and put a flyer around. This kind of works here. The next thing is to do a buyer letter, right? Specifically, all the details about your buyer and write them all down in a letter is what you want to tell them. They can have a mail merge right in the middle that talks about the various specifics that they're looking for and just talking about their buyer, where they're moving from, what do they do for a living, how many children do they have, why do they want to move in the area. Something like that can attract a seller if they're thinking of selling because it's so specific to their home. So that's another really good one. Also, if you are looking to capture a buyer yourself before you even send any marketing, you can send out a letter. I love this book. It's called The Power of Real Estate Letters. That one's a good one. This one is, Dear So-and-so, love your landlord? I bet your landlord loves you. Your landlord gets the rent and tax deductions and you get rent receipts. That's a pretty good deal for your landlord. Kiss your landlord goodbye. A low down payment or even no money down loan or whatever loan you want to put in there is fine. This is just a sample. Can put your home into escrow buy, and you could put 2 weeks out, 30 days out, whatever your client would choose. What I have to do is call this number. You could put a list of some listings that you have, anything like that. And that's a letter that can be sent from a real estate agent. If you get a buyer and you put them into escrow and it closes, this is a represented the buyer letter. So this is a letter put together to that you represented the client and put them into escrow. It's pretty cool. Take a peek and try to read that real quick. Got a lot of great information in there and something to send out, and one signature they can impose right there on their letters. So these are some various things that I do to help attract buyers for real estate agents. And it's great to talk about at office meetings, one-on-one appointments, over the phone. It's a great instigative service contact. A lot of people have listings, but they don't always have the buyers. So if you've got great little tips and tools to attract those buyers and be of suggestion, be a resource in this space, I'm telling you, that's a win. Got a quote for you for the day, and it is this. Every morning in Africa, a gazelle wakes up and it knows it must outrun the fastest lion or it'll be killed. Do you know that in every morning in Africa, a lion wakes up and it knows it must run faster than the slowest gazelle or it will starve. It doesn't matter whether you're the lion or the gazelle. When the sun comes up, you better be running. Don't forget it. See you next time.